REIT investing is one of the opportunities that you can explore to venture into real estate without the usual cost and obligations. The same with property acquisition. Ang mga REITs ay makakatulong din para palaguin ang inyong wealth over time dahil isa ding itong klase ng real estate investment that can be your source of passive income. Hi, this is Jung Fernando and I'm from RAMPVER Financials. Kamusta po mga ka-RFF? I hope everyone's keeping safe and well. Maraming salamat sa patuloy ninyong pagsuporta dito po sa aming channel. Malaking bagay po ito para sa ating lumalaking RFF community nang dahil sa inyo ay mas dumadami pa po tayong natutulungang tao. And so, sa araw na ito, pag-uusapan naman natin ang mga REITs. Nangangarap ka bang makabili at magmay-ari ng mga income-generating real estate properties ang tulad na lamang ng shopping malls, hotels, warehouses, and buildings? While this may seem to be too good to be true para sa mga taong walang malaking kapital, REIT investments open this possibility through co-ownership. Real estate investments prove to be a wise choice kasi nag-o-offer ito ng mga paraan para maka-generate ka ng passive income that includes rental properties. Kung binabalak mong mag-explore ng new revenue streams through real estate, REIT is definitely an attractive option. Ngunit bago po tayo tulungang mahikayat mag-invest dito, alamin muna natin ano nga ba muna ang mga REITs. Kung interesado ka sa real estate investing but you do not have sufficient funds yet, REIT is an option that you should consider. A real estate investment trust or REIT company is one that owns, operates, or finances income-generating real estate assets. Hango po ito sa konsepto ng mutual funds, kung saan ang kapital ng mga investors ay pinagsasama-sama ng REIT which enables them to invest in real estate assets miski di nila kailangan magkaroon ng full ownership over them. While it benefits us investors, REIT can also give developers some advantage. Through REIT investments kasi, pwedeng makapag-generate ng capital ang mga developers by transferring and selling some of their assets to REIT companies in the form of stocks. Yung mga investors na naging shareholders ng company will provide kasi the capital needed to fund future developments. In return, makakatanggap naman ng regular dividends ang shareholders from the REIT company. Indeed, REIT is an attractive option for those who want to maximize their investment portfolios. Paano nga ba nabubuo ang mga REITs? REIT corporations are created by real estate companies. Through sponsorship, they are able to provide and transfer income-generating properties into the REIT entity. Para ma-list sila sa stock market, the real estate company must first file its application with the SEC and the PSE. At pag ang REIT listing ay na-approve na, maaari nang mag-list ng shares ang real estate company sa PSE through an initial public offering or IPO. By doing so, pwede nang magbenta ng shares niya sa public investors through the stock market and can generate funds for its expansion. On the side naman ng mga investors, yung mga shares naman na nabili nila already made them part owners of the company's real estate assets. Ang ibig sabihin nito, pag ang REIT ay kumita na from their assets, ang mga investors ay nababayaran na din regularly in the form of stock, property, or cash dividends. Ngayon, pag-usapan na natin ang pag-i-invest dito. Kung interesado kang maglagay ng pera sa REITs, here are 5 tips that we have prepared for you. Tip number 1. Know your objectives. Ito ay dapat laging nasa una ng listahan. Kinakailangan ay hindi tayo basta-basta nagpapadala lamang sa excitement ng mga kwentong nadidinig natin sa ating mga kaibigan. Kinakailangan ay alamin din natin ang ating mga goal or the purpose for which your intended REIT investment will be made. Knowing also your time horizon will be critical since the longer the period of your investment, the higher also is the ability to absorb risks. At dahil ang REITs ay hindi straight line ang performance, we really have to make sure that the money we are setting aside for these are money that we do not also need pagdating ng mga emergencies. Second tip, Tip number 2, when seeking opportunities for REIT investments, go with the best performing REITs. Pag mag-i-invest ka sa REIT, dapat piliin mo ang mga malalaking real estate companies na may mga magagandang properties and tenants. As we know, REITs are companies that own and often operate income-producing real estate tulad ng apartments, warehouses, self-storage facilities, malls, and hotels. Ang pinaka-reliable na mga REITs ay mayroong magagandang track record sa pagdidistribute at pagbabayad ng mga malalaki at lumalaki pang mga dividendo over the years. Sa kasalukuyan, ito ang ilan sa mga sikat na REITs na naipakilala na sa Pilipinas. Citicorp C REIT, Ayala Land REIT or A-REIT, Double Dragon Properties REIT, Philinvest REIT, Robinsons Land Commercial REIT or RCR. And so, moving on, the third tip is, keep it simple and use online brokers. Ang mga online brokers ay ang maaaring gumawa ng research and pagsasaliksik para sa iyo bilang isang investor. Marami na pong online brokers na nag-o-offer ng REIT investments ngayon. Ang isa ding kagandahan ng mga online brokers na ito ay bago pa ma-launch ang isang bagong REIT, marami na po silang libreng seminars para ma-market at maibahagi ang mga importanteng bagay na dapat nalalaman ng isang posibleng REIT investor. Maliban po dito, namimigay na din sila ng mga libreng reference materials patungkol sa mga ilo-launch na mga REIT na nagsisilbi din pong magandang guide natin para sa mga first-time REIT investors. Investors interested in REITs in the Philippines can buy shares of REITs through an accredited online broker by the Philippine Stock Exchange. Ang mga brokers na ito ay nakakapag-provide ng mabilis at simpleng pamamaraan para sa ating mga investors para bumili, magbenta at tumanggap ng mga dividendo. And this leads us to our fourth tip, which is choose only accredited PSE online brokers. Some of the trusted brokers would include MyTrade, UTrade, BDO Securities, and Call Financials. Maaari kayong magpadala ng email sa amin para matulungan namin kayo in case gusto nyong magsimula na at mag-open ng inyong mga sariling stock trading online accounts. At para po sa huling tip, tip number 5, which is know and understand the risks. Di lang tayo dapat nakatutok sa potensyal na kikitain natin pagdating sa mga instrumentong katulad ng REITs. Importante din po na mapag-aralan nating mabuti kung ano ba talaga ang mga potential na risks na maaaring kaharapin natin kung tayo ay mag-i-invest dito. It's good to remember that there will always be pluses and minuses for every investment at tulad ng REITs, may mga risks din ito na dapat nating i-expect dahil makakatulong po ito sa ating mga magiging desisyon bago mag-invest dito. And to minimize rin po the risks that come with REIT investing, pumili ka dapat ng mga REITs with a growing, high income, and high quality portfolio. Humanap ka ng REIT company that is issued by highly reputable, trusted, and well-managed companies. All told, REIT investing is one of the opportunities that you can explore to venture into real estate without the usual cost and obligations. The same with property acquisition. Ang mga REITs ay makakatulong din para palaguin ang inyong wealth over time dahil isa ding itong klase ng real estate investment that can be your source of passive income. Yun nga lang, kailangan gawin mo ito ng tama para ma-manage mo din ang risks at the same time lumaki ang iyong potential na kikitain dito. And so I hope you've learned something new today in our 5 tips to successful REIT investing. If you think you have friends or relatives who might be in need of these contents, I hope you can share this video with them. And for those who haven't yet, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel, RAMPVER Financials. Follow us on TikTok so we can continue to help you in your financial journey. Again, this has been Jung Fernando saying thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and God bless you all.